Hello everyone. In this video I'll discuss about Arrhenius equation. This one very important for upcoming exams. Okay, see this Arrhenius equation. So this is Swedish chemist. The Swedish chemist Svante Arrhenius. Okay, this one is Svante Arrhenius. Okay, Arrhenius. This is Swedish chemist. So one relation or mathematical expression is this one is K equal to A into e to the power minus EA divided by RT. Okay, this one where K equal to where that K equal to what? K equal to rate constant. Okay, now T equal to this T equal to absolute temperature. Okay, then R equal to this R, then R equal to universal gas constant. Okay, and A equal to this capital A equal to a constant called frequency factor. Okay, frequency factor, or you can say this one is pre-exponential factor. Okay, this one is pre-exponential factor. So this one is Arrhenius equation. This K equal to what? K equal to rate constant. Then this T equal to what? So what is the T? The T stands for absolute temperature. Okay, then this R equal to universal gas constant. Okay, and this A equal to a constant called frequency factor or pre-exponential factor. Okay, this EA equal to what? What is EA? This EA is called activation energy. EA is called activation energy. Okay, activation. This EA is activation energy. Okay, activation energy. So this one is Arrhenius equation. Okay, now determination of activation energy. Okay, determination of activation energy, or this one determination of activation energy graphically. So determination of activation energy graphically. Okay, so according to Arrhenius equation, this equation is K equal to A e to the power minus EA divided by RT. Okay, here this one is K, this A, EA, this one EA, and T are rate constant. First is this is what? This one is called rate constant. Okay, see, R is rate constant. Okay, then this A equal to what? This A equal to, this is frequency factor. A equal to frequency factor. This one. and this EA is called activation energy. This one is called activation energy, and this T is called absolute temperature respectively. Okay, now both the sides you can use that ln natural log. Okay, like this. So ln k ln a e to the power minus EA divided by RT. Okay, now this one all of you know this log formula, the log m into n. So log m into n formula is this one is formula log m into n. Then if log m into n, then you can write log m plus log n. Okay, this one. So this one is log formula. So here you can write ln k equal to, now ln a plus ln e to the power minus EA RT, or you can write ln a plus, now this one natural log e, this value is what, 1, and this one comes front. Okay, then minus EA divided by RT ln e. This ln e value is 1. Okay, this ln e value is 1. Then you have to write, or you will get this part is here. Then ln k equal to ln a minus EA divided by RT. Now this natural log convert to ordinary log. So natural log convert to ordinary log, how to write? See, write 2.303 log k equal to, this one also 2.303 log a minus, that minus this part EA divided by RT. Okay, now both the sides you can you can divide by this one, like this. You can divide 2.303 divided by 2.303 log k equal to 2.303 log a divided by 2.303 minus EA divided by 2.303 RT. Okay, this one. Now this one cancel. Okay, this one cancel. This one cancel. You will get log k equal to log a. Okay, minus this one EA divided by 2.303 R into 1 by T. Okay, this one. So this one is one equation. Sorry. So activation energy here, activation, this one is called what? This one is called activation energy. This one is activation energy. Activation energy can be evaluated graphically. Okay, so this equation, this one is of the form that straight line formula. Straight line formula, you know this one, y equal to mx plus c. Okay, this is straight line formula, or you can write here, see, this one is y, along y axis this log k, right? After that this one is c and plus mx. Okay, so this is along y axis, like this is graph, one graph. Have to see, graph is suppose this one. Okay, this is along y axis and this one is along x axis. Okay, now you can see along y axis you can write this one log k. This is along y axis, and along x axis you can write this one 1 by t. Okay, this one. And this one is slope. Okay, this one is slope. M equal to what? M equal to slope. You can write here slope equal to minus E naught divided by 2.303 r. Okay, this one is slope, negative slope. If negative slope, that means you can write like this. Okay, this one. Now negative slope. So actually slope equal to what? You can draw here one slope. Okay, this is theta, this one slope. Suppose this is A, this one is B, this one C. Slope nothing but this one is perpendicular divided by base. Slope equal to perpendicular, that means AB divided by BC. Okay, this one. So slope equal to, you can write what? You can write that value is minus activation energy divided by 2.303 r. Okay, this one. So this one is graph. The graph of log k versus 1 by t. So this one is graph of log k versus 1 by t. Okay, so like this you can find out. This one is determination of activation energy graphically. Okay, activation energy graphically, understood? So this one is E, how to find out activation energy. Suppose this from here, this is relation. So you can write slope equal to minus EA divided by 2.303 RT, or slope value, any value. Suppose slope value is 5. Okay, suppose 5, you can consider 5. Then you can write 5 equal to minus EA divided by 2.303 R. Then this one bring this side, this one. Okay, then you will get minus 5 into 2.303 R equal to E naught. So like this you can find out that activation energy. Okay, activation energy, understood? Okay, in next video I will discuss about determination of activation energy from rate constant. From rate constant, how to find out then activation energy. Okay, so please subscribe my channels. Okay, thank you.